Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Gargy. I do mother vlogs, beauty vlogs, and lifestyle videos. So today I will be showing you this Sonic Beauty facial cleansing brush. I have heard a lot about this, so I will just today I will just unbox and show you how it works on the skin. Today I will unbox this and show you how it feels on my skin, and I will let you know. If you have watched my previous video, you already know that my skin is really dry, so let's see how it works. So it says like it works because it just gives you glowing skin, it unclogs pores, it's anti-aging, it has gentle exfoliation, and it has pulses. So it has a battery and you charge it. This is the Sonic Beauty facial cleansing brush, and it was around like $40. So yeah, let's get started. So I will open it. So it comes in a box like this, and I open it. Comes in like this. There is like a little pouch where you can keep your brush in. It's really cute. Then it has the certificate, I guess that's the warranty. And then there is the user manual. Then there is the thank you card where it says, "Thank you, welcome to the Luxsio family. You have just joined thousands of happy members. Yay. We appreciate you. Activate yours." So it has a 2-year extended warranty. And they give you their website. You go there, and I think it has some kind of number, or you just put your order number in there. So yeah, so then comes the brush. There is this charger. I hope it's charged. And there is the brush. So you see, it's so pretty. So can you see, like, it has like a very little soft brush on this side, and it has this it's like a little harder. So let me see. So this side is very soft. It's like very soft, like I'm putting on my skin and it feels so soft. And this side is a little harder, like the brushes are a little, like, can you see? I don't know if it's working. It's a little bigger. The brushes on this side is a little big, and the brush and this on this side is really soft. I guess this is the power button, or maybe not. This is the power button. Oh wow. So you can turn it down, turn down, and you can feel the vibration. And then on this plus, you go up. Do you hear it? So yeah, here there is the USB port. It says on the user manual that you remove all makeup, dampen your face, and apply the cleanser. Wet the brush and turn it on by pressing the center button, okay? And then you can adjust the intensity by using plus or minus. So it says that you have to do outward circular strokes. So okay, so let's get started and see how this brush works. Okay, so I will tie my hair. Okay, so today I'm using this. Today I'm using my Pond's cold cream cleanser. So it says dampen my face. A little bit on my face. Now I will turn on the brush in here. Oops. And I will turn this down to the lowest setting. And I will dampen this a little. And I will massage it in circular motions. Oh, it feels so good. So little circles. On this side. Here. Oh, it feels so good. I think you can use it twice daily. It's like a facial massage. I'm sure there is like blood circulation going on, and it feels, honestly, it feels so good. It has a little like corner in here, and instead of it's like round, so you can go around and do like this on the near your nose. I think you should massage like a minute on your face. It already feels so good. Then I will wash my face. Then I will use my my rosehip oil. I love this. So I always take like a few drops and put it on my face. I just massage it. Ooh. Turn it down a little. Oh, it feels so good. I always like rub my eye area really gently because you tend to get so many wrinkles over there. Your nose, your nose. If you don't want to like do circular motion, you can always like press it, like turn on the vibration a little, press on the other side. You feel a little more in here. I like to do the softer side. Oops. Do you hear that? It's so loud. It's like not loud, it's like, oh, I can feel it in my teeth. We'll turn it down a little. Oh, I just don't like that when I'm like holding it like this, I'm just turning it off. And again, I have to turn that down. See? I just love it. It's like that. Oh, I can do it all day. Okay. Yeah. So see? It feels so good. Like it feels so good. I feel so good. Like my skin feels so good. It feels so smooth somehow. It feels so smooth somehow. Yeah, so this is the brush, and from the first use I really like it because I just feel like I still feel the vibration, and it's a good sensation because I can feel like the blood flow or something like it. I can feel it, like, you know, when you feel inside, I can feel it. It just feels something. So yeah, I will just keep on using this, and I will give you an update review near in the future. If you really liked my video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't forget to comment also, and let me know if you have tried this brush and what I'm doing wrong and how to use it, how you were getting the results. And don't forget to click that bell notification so next time I upload a video you don't miss it out. Till then, take care and be safe. Bye.